record on this computer. Okay, able to see my screen? No, right? Because I have not shared my screen yet. Share option, share. Able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
The video upload start chesesanu, so it's loading. Okay, this is the one which has yesterday's class. Okay, now Excel. So where are we with respect to Excel? Home ribbon is done, right? In insert there are 3 columns, which is spark lines. I'll finish it. Apart from that, everything is done. Page layout, everything is done. Any questions? Okay. No. Formulas we have to discuss. Data we are about to discuss now. And review, protect, and everything has been done yesterday itself. And view. So we are in the view and we are in the freeze panel, right? And we are ready to discuss about these options, and that's it about for this view ribbon, correct? Yes, no? Guys, ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ మాత్రం చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం ఫోకస్ చేయండి. Okay, so now let me start with the view ribbon. So in view ribbon there are multiple options, correct? New, arrange all, freeze, split, hide, and lot of other options. Okay, yesterday we were discussed about freeze options. See, freeze option endukante, for example, if I'm scrolling down right now, I don't understand in column C what is the data is provided in the column C. Now what we can do, scroll up, select the first row, go to the freeze the top row, or freeze the first column. Now if you scroll down, sorry, freeze the top row. Now if you scroll down, the top row will be freezed, right? Yes, are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's about the freeze options. So if you want to freeze the panes, unlock the rows and columns, scroll. So if you can freeze it for I have just unfrozen it, just select the data, go freeze the pane. So this will be freeze. So ikkada meer maatram gamaniste only pine kabatti kinda maatram move avutundi, right? Can you see this? ఈ రో ఒకటి మూవ్ అవుతుంది. If I scroll down, అంటే నాకు కొన్ని రోస్ మాత్రం ఫ్రీజ్ అయ్యి మిగిలినవి మూవ్ అవ్వడానికి I can use this option, freeze panes. Some rows ni some columns ni మనం ఫ్రీజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. In the way, even if you move right also, ఒక part of the Excel has been frozen and remaining things we can move it to right to left and left to right. Okay,
sir.
Okay, now freeze phones, it's just a simple option, just unfreeze. Just if you want to unfreeze it, again select the data, go back, unfreeze the panes, and everything now have been unfrozen. This is more or less about freeze panes. Okay, clear? Now what is mean by split? For example, I need to split this Excel into multiple things. Just let me split it. Ila split cheyadam valla, can you see here multiple ways lo split అయిపోయింది Excel. Okay, సో ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇక్కడ మూవ్ చేస్తే ఇది మాత్రం మూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసి నేను రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ అంటే అది మాత్రమే మూవ్ అవుతుంది, ఇది మాత్రం మూవ్ అవుతుంది. మీరు ఇంకా క్లియర్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఇదంతా సైడ్కి జరిపేసుకొని ఇది మాత్రం మీరు పైకి కింద మూవ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇది మాత్రం మూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఫ్రీజ్ పెయిన్స్, స్ప్లిట్ ద ప్లేన్స్, మనం ఇదంతా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట, డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్. వర్క్ సినారియోని బట్టి స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకొని వాడుకోవచ్చు, రైట్? సి ఫ్రీజ్ కి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ స్ప్లిట్ లో మల్టిపుల్ స్ప్లిట్స్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట మనం. సో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ సింబల్ ఉంది కదా, మనం 4 గా దీన్ని స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది ఒకటి 1 2 3 4, we can split in 4 different ways. That is the importance of the split. So again, where this particular option will be used, if you have a lot of data and if you want to understand what is there in above, or you want to understand what has been hovering over up data and below data, and you can use this particular option. Okay, let me unclear. So now I have removed the split. Then if you want to use it by side, just click on the side by side. Okay, if you have for example మీరు ఒక 2 Excels ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఒక మీ డేటాను చూసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ డేటాను చూసుకోవచ్చు, సైడ్ బై సైడ్ వ్యూస్. You can see 2 Excel sheets in one view. So this will be used synchronous scrolling పెడితే ఒకేసారి ఎక్కడైనా మనం క్లిక్ చేస్తామో మొత్తం ఒకేసారి మూవ్ అవుతుంది. See, ఒకసారి click చేసి move చేస్తే రెండు చోట్ల move అవుతుంది. This is nothing but save, and this is the macros. Macros will be discussed in the developer option. So here we'll be discussing about the macros, the same option over here. So that's more or less about the view pane, right? Guys, any questions? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Yes.
Clear.
So now మనకి ఇంతవరకు ఏమేమి ఆప్షన్స్ అయిపోయినాయి? యూ పేజ్ హ్యాస్ టు ఫేస్ సే హోమ్ ఇస్ డన్.
Yes, sir.
ఇన్సర్ట్
Insert లో ఈ లైన్ కాలమ్ ఇటు ఉన్నాయి సార్.
తప్ప మిగతా అయిపోయి కరెక్ట్.
అవును
పేజ్
సార్.
లేఅవుట్
ఒకసారి హైపర్ లింక్ కూడా ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలుగుతారా సార్ ఒకసారి?
యా ఐల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఇది ఇవన్నీ. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ ఆప్షన్స్, 4 ఆప్షన్స్, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ డన్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
నౌ పేజ్ లేఅవుట్
పేజ్
everything is-
as completed సార్.
yes. ఫార్ములాస్,
చెప్పలేదు సార్.
డేటా,
చెప్పలేదు సార్.
రివ్యూ,
చెప్పే సార్ అయిపోయింది.
వ్యూ.
వ్యూ కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్ జస్ట్.
ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ ద వ్యూ?
అవును సార్.
Now today I'll be finishing the data, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow in coming classes, I mean tomorrow I'll be on leave, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow in coming class we'll be finishing the formulas on developer. So once we are exploring all the options, then we'll come to some assignments, some tasks and all those stuff, because if you are not finishing all the tasks, we cannot give you any assignments or tasks. Okay,
ఓకే సార్.
now data. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీకు అసలైన ఎక్సెల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కొంచెం మొదలవుతాయి. ప్లీజ్ బీ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్ విత్ దిస్ క్లాసెస్. సారీ, హాయ్ అబ్దుల్.
Sir, hi sir.
Hello. So I don't know whether you are there here when I'm discussing about the view. So yesterday we are discussing about the freeze panes. Today I have discussed about split and view side by side options. These are very simple options. If you want to split the Excel into two, you can use that particular thing. Just I'll show it to you for a second. For example, if you use the split option, can you see one plus symbol has been appearing on the table on the Excel, right? So if you scroll, only particular quadrant will move. If you scroll over here, only particular quadrant will move. So if you want to use the data, if you want to look into the below data, you can use it and you can edit it, and you can use the whatever things you want to do. So when we will use the split, if you have a lot of data, when you want to compare the data, whatever we have there in different columns, we'll use the split option. Okay, the split. So now everything is gone. Just you want to hide the split, unhide and hide things. Okay, so that is more or less about the view option. Now we'll be discussing about the data option. So any questions on view?
No, sir.
Yep. So let me discuss about the data today. So data anedi, this is very very important topic, guys, because I'll explain you why it is very important in this thing. Okay, so let me open some new Excel sheet. Let me open some Excel. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, so in data there are a lot of other options. So these are the very important, get external data into the Excel. This is very important topic. First I'll come to this this particular option, then I'll come back to this, because both are interrelated. Okay, now so if you want to move this text to columns and remove duplicates and data validation, I'll come to that. Okay, so for example, if we have some data, for example, you have some data. Okay, so let me copy this data into the new sheet. Okay, guys, now I have a requirement. I need to I want to divide this data. For example, this one 12 date and the timing into two different rows. How can I do that? I need data in this formula. This time control paste. So this one is still appearing, but still it's okay. But I need to copy this data. I need to put it over here. How can I do this? Okay, so ఇలా ప్రతి దానికి మేము చేసుకోవచ్చా? విల్ బి సపోజ్ మేబీ 10,000 20,000 rows. Can we do copy paste? Is it practically possible? No.
No,
So
no.
how can we do that? There is an option called text to columns. Select the data, move to text to columns. So once we click on this text to columns, you can see some delimiter or fixed width. I'll come to that. So మనం ఏ data select చేసాము, can you see the data over here? Okay, so just select, let it be the delimiter or something or fixed width, whichever is applicable. Just click on the next. So ఇక్కడ మనం ఫిక్స్డ్ విత్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎక్కడైతే స్పేస్ ఉందో ఇక్కడ బార్, ఇక్కడ ఒక యారో మార్క్ కనబడుతుంది మీకు క్లియర్ గా, ఇక్కడ అక్కడి వరకు స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ అగైన్ ఫినిష్. నౌ కెన్ యూ సీ గైస్, whatever the data was there and we have changed it into a different column. So in another scenario, another example, let me take some other example. Okay, it is also another example. Let me copy this data, put it over here. Let me put it over here. Okay, now can someone tell me, I need this protocol once in everything. See, for example, if you see this one, this is the data, right? Protocol 1 some data, protocol 2 some data, 3 data, and protocol 20 some data. Now ఈ delimiter ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ మనకి fixed delimiter which is called colon. Now ఈ colon ముందు ఉన్నదంటే ఒక రోలో రావాలి, తర్వాత ఉన్నది ఒక రోలో రావాలి. How can I do that? Just select the data, go back to text to columns. Okay, now ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్డ్ విత్ కి డెలిమిటర్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ గో విత్ డెలిమిటర్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్. సో ఇక్కడ డెలిమిటర్ అని చెప్పగానే నేను when I can see some semicolon, comma, space or other, there are a lot of things. So I just want to deselect. Depending on the scenario, we need to select it. Now I'll say other. Okay, other అంటే ఏంది, ఇక్కడ మనకు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏం చెప్తున్నా నేను, కోలన్ అని చెప్తున్నా కదా. జస్ట్ టైప్ ద కోలన్ and just click on the next and finish. Can someone see the entire data has been moved to here? Or else we can do in another way. Just select the data, go to text and columns. Now if I go with fixed delimiter, just click on the next, again next, sorry, fixed delimiter, next. So here, just click on the here wherever you want to bifurcate, just on the space or wherever it is applicable. Just click on the finish. Okay, now it's in mood. So ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ స్పేసెస్ చూసారా, ఇక్కడ డెలిమిటర్స్, కాలర్స్, కామాస్, సమ్ డేటా హ్యాస్ బీన్ దేర్ విచ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ అన్నెసెసరీ డేటా. కోలన్ అనవసరంగా ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా కోలన్ అనవసరంగా వస్తుంది. సో ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్ వే? కొంచెం యూనిఫామ్ గా ఇట్స్ లుకింగ్ బిట్ ఆక్వర్డ్, రైట్? సో నౌ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్ దట్ మెథడ్, ఆల్వేస్ use delimiter. Just select the data, go to text to columns, just click on delimiter. The next, what is the delimiter we are using over there?
Others.
Why others?
Column
ఉంది కాబట్టి. If for example if you have any semicolon over here, you can click on the semicolon, it will be deprecated. Now if I in others column, if I select something called forward slash, what should will happen?
Slashes will separate.
Yes, after the slash, whatever the data will be there, it will be separated. Can you see? There was some data before the slash and it has been separated. Now we need to separate with the colon, then with the forward slash. We'll do both the things one by one. Delimiter, next we need to separate it by the colon, finish. It has been separated. Now in this data, whatever the data we are having, I need to separate the same thing with the forward slash. Select the data, go to the next, select the others, because we don't have a forward slash over here. Forward slash, next, finish. See, can you see the difference? Ekkadithe forward slash undo, next columns like వెళ్ళిపోయాయి.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is the importance of text to columns. You want to have a look for any other example?
No, sir.
Okay, now ఈ డేటాని, can someone help me? Control C, I'll put it over here. I need these first names and second names in different columns. How can I do that?
Go to text column.
First select the data, go to text to columns, then
Delimited.
Fixed with.
why delimiter and why fixed with?
There is no semicolon or comma.
Excellent. So as we don't have any semicolon or any comma or anything, so that's the reason we will be going ahead with fixed
Fixed
width.
width.
And next, so fixed width, as I can just point out the wherever the cursor I feel, just click on the finish. So now నా కర్సర్ ర్యాండమ్ గా మూవ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమైందంటే ఇక్కడ కొన్ని వాల్యూస్ మిస్ అయ్యాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ మార్క్ మ్యాట్రగోనీలో ఎం కూడా ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది బికాస్ ఇట్స్ ఎ స్పేస్ వీఆర్ బ్లైండ్లీ గోయింగ్ విత్ ద ఫిక్స్డ్ విత్. నౌ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ విల్ సీ సమ్ అదర్ ఆప్షన్. అలా ఎర్రర్ అవ్వకుండా ఏమైనా ఛాన్సెస్ ఉందా? జస్ట్ go with delimiter. Now can you see this option over here, space? ఎక్కడైతే స్పేస్ వస్తుందో then it will be bifurcated. Just click on the finish. Now when compared to previous one, is it quite make sense, right? When if you are going with the fixed width,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, this will be the best option. So always try to go with some sorry, for 2 columns we cannot go it, we cannot move forward. Select the data, always try to go with the fixed width, then delimiter. That will be very useful for you guys. Now I think you got the crux. Okay, now let me copy this something data. Let me save this because we need to use this one. Save as just file. For the class, where can I put it? I can put it on the downloads. Save. Okay, now let me close this. Now, so this is fine. Now, when I'm clicking on something else, okay. So now you can see there are a lot of other options over here, right? We'll come one by one. First, we'll go with from text. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఎక్సెల్ లో డేటాని ఎలా ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. So now I'm giving it manually, but for example, data will be there in some other Excel. How can you move it to another Excel? I think I have discussed with you these guys. So if you want to copy these matches to my Excel, what another Excel sheet, what I can do, I can select the entire data, correct? Go to the data wherever I want to paste it, select the data, Control V. This is one option. Guys, please respond.
Sir.
Another option. Another option. Just from here, from the original source, go to the sheet, go to the matches. I need just escape everything. Right click on these matches, move or copy, then create a copy. Can you see here? Ekkade mana click chestane ennaithe excels open chesayo, you can see all the excels over there, but we need to move this into assignment data, and where we need to move it to the end. Click OK. Now in assignment data, the entire data has been copied. These are the multiple ways how to copy data from one Excel to another Excel, right? Don't go for
Sir,
copy. Yep,
sir,
sorry, go ahead.
We have to like this. This is merging, no, sir?
This is not merging. One second. So there is a, if you can, you see here there are two Excels. One is called assignment data, another is called, can someone read the name?
Matches IPL data.
Data. Now from assignment data, I need to move it to assignment data. For example, this ambulance station data, I need to move it to the IPL matches. How can I do that? I can copy paste, everyone knows, but I don't want to go for copy paste, because I suggest don't go for copy paste, because sometimes it will be taking some hectic process. If you have a huge data like 1 lakh rows and 2 lakh rows, it will be take too much of time. Copy, right click on it, move or copy. Okay. So once you click on the move or copy, where this data is presented at the moment, assignment data. From here, where I need to move matches of IPL data, where I need to paste it. Maybe you can select anywhere, create a copy and click it OK. Okay, so because it is a shared drive, let me clear the shared once. One second. This was the shared file, so it's not allowing. Now I have removed the shared drive. Right click, move or copy, select matches IPL data, create a copy. After the matches, it should be go. So can you someone see, guys? So what is the data right now? I'm here. Just let me minimize this. Right now I'm in matches IPL data, right? I moved that data from assignment data to another Excel. Can someone see this? You got it, guys? How to move?
Yes, I got
Yep.
it.
So now, right now I want to discuss about something else. So now that is the how you need to get. But if you want to copy it from the other sources, like how can I say that, some text files or some Word document or from some other website, how can you do that? This is the option. Just go to, so now I need to copy the data. I mean, fetch the data from text. Okay, just click on the option. It will ask you where is that particular file. So it is in the download file. This is the file, and just click on the import. So now when you click on that import, can you see here how to, because the data is in different format, commas are there are a lot of data is there. Okay, now how you want to clear it out? I'll go with delimiter fixed width, which is the appropriate one.
Delimiter.
Yeah, next. So which delimiter I'm using right now over here in this data? Comma. And just click on the next and finish. Click on OK. It will take some time. See, can you see? Whatever the data I was having in the Excel file, just I have created the random data, actuals and 2017 U2 date and some random data. You can fetch it to your Excel. Okay, I'll show it to you again. Let me delete this data. Okay, I need to paste it in the column A. Okay, or A2. Go to data, fetch it from text, select the test file, or you can use any other one, data, period, or DAX, import. So now, okay, so this is a bit complex one because this is a code. How can you do that? You cannot go with delimiter or anything, because can you see it's a completely code. In code, we cannot do anything over here. So just click on the finish. Click OK. Whatever the data was using there in the particular, I mean, text file, everything got copied. Guys, able to understand? No?
సార్ కోడ్ అయితే ఏం చేయలేమా సార్ దాన్ని? ఓన్లీ కామర్స్ గానీ
ఓకే,
స్లాషెస్
సో డేటా రీడబుల్ ఫార్మేట్ లో ఉంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది చూస్తే ఈ డేటా ఎలా ఉందో, టెస్ట్ ఫైల్ ఫర్ ద క్లాస్, ఈ ఫైల్ ఐ మీన్, సో ఇది కొంచెం యూనిఫార్మిటీ ఉంది. అట్లీస్ట్ బై లుకింగ్ ఇంటూ డేటా యూ కెన్ సే దట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ సెపరేటెడ్ బై ద కామా, దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ డూ ఇట్. But whereas the code, where is that code? Let me open downloads, right? So data, yeah. So if you open this code, see, this is the code. So now can you separate this by delimiter or fixed width? Practically no, we cannot do that. So that's the reason, the as it is, whatever the data is there, it's copying to the Excel. Okay, if it is in normal format, you can directly import into our Excel. But as this particular data is not in the appropriate level, now let me export the proper data. Extract from the data, test
Structural or
file.
non-structural?
Yes, structure, non-structure, simply you can use that word. Now this is separated by a comma. I have selected delimiter. Go to the next. I want to select the comma. Just click on the next and finish. And where I need to ask, it's asking me where I can paste it. It's a column even, or else I can paste, click wherever it is. I can select it and I can paste it over here. Okay, so now data has been entirely copied from that word text, I mean the txt file to Excel. This is the one way. Okay, clear, guys? Now
సరే సార్.
I'll show it to you how we can export data from the web. Web is nothing but website.
ఇంటర్నెట్.
Yeah, just click on the web. Okay, now you can see to explore this option, you need to be, your internet connection should be very good. Okay, now I found that this particular option. Just I can select Olympic data, Olympic 2021, select it. This is Summer Olympics, I got it. So whenever you are getting some error, just accept that error. Okay, So I cannot make this one big. Okay. Or Tokyo Olympics, whichever is appropriate. Or Tokyo Olympics. Okay. Just click on this data. Just click on X. Yes. Yes. So because what Excel is trying, Excel is trying to read that entire website. That's a huge website. So you may get multiple options. It's reading the data. So don't worry about the error. Okay, now, so if we cannot read the data and we can get it, okay, 1 second. This website is too huge. That's the reason we are not able to fetch the data. It's loading. Just allow a second. We'll go with some easy website. Then we'll come back to Olympic data. This is the problem with the Excel. That is the reason we'll be going for the Power BI. Can you see, guys? I'm not able to cancel this. I'm not able to close this.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a time taking process, but when you are working in office, every minute is very important. So you, whenever you want to close it, it should be within your hands. You're not supposed to depend upon the Excel to finish it. Meanwhile, I'll let it load. Harish and Latif, can I have your mobile numbers, please? Maybe in chat box. So I'll be keeping you in the group, putting you in the group. So that will be easy for us to communicate everyday classes timings and all those stuff.
Yeah, sure. I will share.
Yes, sir.
So now it's completely got locked. I need to go close everything. Control Alt delete task manager, performance. Where is the Excel? Where is the Excel apps history? So I'm not able to find it, but anyway, so this is the problem, guys. So I don't know. I'm not able to open the new page also. It's completely got hanged. This is the one of the biggest disadvantages of Excel. Thanks, Harish. Let me save it right away. Latif, meanwhile, you can also share it. I 030. Okay. Okay, Harish. Actually, Harish, no need to. I'm not supposed to. I mean, I'm not required to add anything anywhere in you. I'm share the groups. I'll show it to you how to get that videos. You were added in the group. Okay. Now, how we can get that videos? Just go to YouTube. Okay, close. Just click on the YouTube. Okay, click on YouTube. Go to search option. Able to hear me as am I on mute?
Yeah, able to hear.
Yep. Just go to Tech Veda Technologies. you can see here TechWeather Technologies. Please ignore the logo. I want to change it, but somehow it's not able to make it. Okay, just click on this particular link. You can see there are a lot of videos you can see in here. So pick on the classes TechWeather by Excel by Sunil, or TechWeather Excel 7th class by Sunil. These are all the classes whichever I have shared till date. Okay, there are multiple options. There are a lot of videos over there. Just you can pick whichever is appropriate or whichever is required. Okay.
Okay, okay.
You
So
can get
that
yeah.
we can get the Power BI training as well, right?
Yes, in the same
some
way.
demo classes.
Yeah, for Power BI demo classes also is also available. So I made it as a public. So anyway, we will be taking the demo class in 24th of this month. Guys, from this week 24th, actual Power BI classes will start. As I told earlier, this is an add-on course. I'm just explaining you the Excel basics, and so that if you're good at Excel, it will be easy for you to understand the Power BI. And if you're not attending these classes also, nothing will happen, but it will be easy for you to reconnect everything. Okay. 1 second. Yes, Bhunesh. Sorry guys, so now where is that Excel? Not able to
Sir,
open the Excel. Yeah.
ఈ 24th పవర్ బి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా అన్నారు కదా,
Yes.
అది టైమింగ్స్ కొంచెం మార్చండి సార్.
Okay, so మీ అందరికి ఇంకోటి క్లియర్ గా చెప్తున్నా. As everyone is working in my institute, even the trainer is also working. He is an Accenture, he is a project lead. Okay, so ఈ ఆన్లైన్ బ్యాచెస్ ఎవరికి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నామంటే ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద వన్ హూ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్. So for non-working people, we are asking them to come to the institute because you are in some different place. మీ different place లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మీకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో మా సైడ్ నుంచి కూడా ఒక్కసారి నా సిన్సియర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే, ఐ నీడ్ టు మేనేజ్ మై ఆఫీస్. ఓకే, దెన్ ఐ నీడ్ టు కమ్ అవుట్ అండ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు టీచ్ ద క్లాసెస్. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు 9 to 6 ఆఫీస్ ఉంది. ఐ విల్ బి కంప్లీటింగ్ మై ఆఫీస్. ఒకవేళ ఆఫీస్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయినా 7కి అయిపోతుంది. 7 to 8 ఐ విల్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ స్నాక్స్ ఆర్ సమ్ బ్రేక్ ఆర్ డిన్నర్. 8 to 9 మీరు క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వడానికి మీకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఐ మీన్ యాజ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ వర్క్మెన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో. సో
9 to 10.
yeah,
9 to 10 ఎట్లా ఏమైనా పాసిబుల్?
okay, that is fine. See, after 8 తర్వాత మీ 8:30 to 9:30 నా 9:30 to 10 నా 10 to 11, I mean 10 to 11 it will be too late. We'll be closing before 10. If everyone is interested, if everyone is happy with the timing, I'll be going ahead with the same timing. But Sunday demo class వినండి. From Monday I will be
సో 24th డెమో క్లాస్ అంటారా మీరు, లైక్ సండే?
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు.
ఐఎమ్ సారీ గైస్, మీట్లో ఉండి అప్పని చాలా మాట్లాడుతున్నా నేను. సో ఎక్కడ ఓకే, ఏం చెప్తున్నా నేను, ఫ్రమ్ సండే క్లాసెస్, ఐ మీన్ డెమో క్లాస్ విల్ స్టార్ట్.
పవర్ బి కి సంబంధించిందా సార్?
yes, it's completely on Power BI. Why you need to learn Power BI, what are the importance of Power BI చేస్తే మీకు జాబ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, అసలు ఎందుకు Power BI చేయాలి, అది నేర్చుకోవడం ఈజీనా కష్టమా అనే పాయింట్స్ అన్ని డెమో క్లాస్ లో క్లియర్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. మీకు చెప్పాను ఎక్సెల్ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను నేను, వినపడిందా? మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారా?
చెప్పారు సార్, ఇది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ ఆఫ్
yes, ఈవెన్ పవర్ బిఐ లో కూడా మీరు డేటాను ఫెచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంత కష్టం ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చూస్తున్నారు కదా, నేను ఎక్సెల్ ని చేస్తున్నా, ఇది క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, ఫైనల్లీ ఐ కెన్ క్లోజ్ ఇట్. ఒక డేటాని నేను తీసుకోవాలంటే ఎన్ని ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు. ఓకే, నౌ let me open some other file. I don't want to mess this with this file. Okay, now So if you want to get the data from the website, just click on the from web, just go to web option open అయిపోతుంది. If you want to open, you can open the Google and anything. Just open Olympics data. And one more thing is, మీరు అన్ని వెబ్సైట్స్ ని కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోలేరు. ఓకే, ఏ వెబ్సైట్ లో అయితే డేటా ఉందో దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ వెబ్సైట్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ ద డేటా. As soon as I search on something, it's taking some time.
పవర్ బి లో కూడా అంతేనా సార్?
Power BI, you can no, there is no limitations for Power BI. You can download anything you want in the Power BI. Okay, so this is the only, see, the advanced version of Excel is nothing but Power BI. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏ ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తున్నారు, every option you can find it in the Power BI, but it will be more advanced and more fast, more competitive. అంటే మీకు ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి మనకి హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్ ఇష్యూస్ కానీ కొన్ని డేటాని లోడ్ చేసుకోవడం కానీ ఇష్యూస్ అన్ని ఏం రావు అనమాట. సో నౌ ఓకే, ఐ విల్ కమ్ టు దట్. ఇక్కడ మనం ఎన్ని డేటాస్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు బై చూడగానే మీరు ఒకవేళ ఎక్సెల్ ఉంది, డేటా ఉంది, వెబ్ ఉంది. బట్ వెరాజ్ ఇన్ పవర్ బిఐ యూ కెన్ కనెక్ట్ 70 డిఫరెంట్ సోర్సెస్. ఇక్కడ SQL నుంచి డేటా నువ్వు కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోలేవు. బట్ వెరాజ్ ఇన్ పవర్ బిఐ యూ కెన్ కనెక్ట్ ది SQL ఆల్సో ఆర్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ అజూర్. దేర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ SQL డేటాబేసెస్.
సార్ పవర్ బిఐ తో పాటు SQL కూడా చెప్తారా?
ఎస్. వన్ సెకండ్ గైస్, ఇది ఎక్సెల్ ఏదేదో అడుగుతుంది. అగైన్ ఎందుకు ఇది సపరేట్గా వస్తుంది? వన్ సెకండ్. అదే ఇలా రాకూడదు అది. Fine, no problem. Copy. I'll explain you guys. Just give me a second. There's something difference is going on over here. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసా అంటే from which website I need to get the data, I just copied the data and just clicked on the go and I'm just clicking on the import. I'll show it to you again, don't worry. It will take some time and you can get all the data. It's asking from which row if you need to get the data, just click OK. Okay. Guys, I think someone is on mute. Just please keep your mic on mute. Okay, now so I'll show it to you again, guys. I think you got the point. So as soon as I click on the data from the Excel, from the web, so what it is doing, whatever the data is there in the particular website, everything got copied to my Excel, right? Can you see which is some data where they are not able to read? I mean, Excel is not able to read that data. All the data, whichever is unwanted data or unnecessary data. Banu, కొంచెం మ్యూట్ లోకి వెళ్ళు. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so guys, able to understand. So here we are getting lot of data, unnecessary data. Now I'll show you another example because ఇది కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా చేశాను. Now just click on the web. As soon as you click on the web, it will be opened something like this. Just click on the data which you want to fetch. Olympic data. As soon as I click on the Olympic data, there are a lot of Olympic data will be there available in the market. Everything is got opened. Just click on the some other data, Summer Olympics kind of Summer Olympics. Click on this data. Can you see this one URL? So you need this URL into your Excel sheet. Copy this URL, close this one, click copy this particular URL over here and click on the go. Once you click on the go, it will ask you some errors. Just accept this everything. Now can you see the same page over here and click on the import. Just click OK. Now it will take few seconds and all the data will be imported, but whereas in the Power BI it won't take this much of time. Can you see, guys? All the data has been imported, but whether do you think that all this data is required?
No, sir.
Unnecessary, right? So now if you'll see, actually we are looking for this data, whatever I'm showing it to you, highlighting right now from column A. This is the data where we are exactly looking for. Remaining data is unwanted data for yours. So for in Power, whereas in Power BI will automatically delete everything. It will give you a normal data in this format. Okay. Now what else we can do? Everything is everything we have here. Now you can create and some graphs, insert graphs, and you can create everything, right? Or you can do some pivot tables and you can do some other assessments. There are a lot of other things where you can do it over here. So now I got this data from the web. Now you got it, right, guys, how to get import data from web and text.
Yes, sir.
So now there are a lot of other forms where you can extract data. I'll show it to you just in a quick manner. Just click on it from SQL Server, because I don't have a SQL setup over in my laptop. You cannot do it, even though if you try to connect, there are a lot of issues in the SQL Server. Some from analysis server. This is the another server where you will do some assessments, which is nothing but online. Some XML data, which is nothing but another Excel sheet. I'll show it to you how you can do that. There are a lot of other options where you may not be using. Just let me click it in the third option. So నేను చేశాను ఇంకో ఎక్సెల్ నుంచి డేటా ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఆప్షన్ అడిగాను. అది అడుగుతుంది ఎక్కడి నుంచి డేటా తీసుకొని రావాలని అడుగుతుంది. I'll just Excel data. I don't have any data over here. Just click on the all files. Now you can see monthly budget, maybe some function. Just click on OK. It will load. So ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది అన్నమాట ఈ డేటాలో ఈ డేటా ఉంది తీసుకొని రావచ్చు అంటే just click on the OK. ఇక్కడ మనకి డైరెక్ట్ చూపిస్తుంది పైవట్ టేబుల్ లో కావాలా లేకుంటే ఆప్షన్స్ లో కావాలా, డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకొని వచ్చేసేసి మన న్యూ వర్క్ బుక్ అని ఆప్షన్ చేస్తే ఇట్ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ టు ద న్యూ వర్క్ బుక్. We need in table format. Just click OK. Yep. Can you see it over here? Whatever the data was there in that Excel has been copied over here. This is the formula error. Ignore it. We'll be discussing that about in the next classes. Okay. Now you got how to import the data to Excel, right? From different sources. One is from text, another is from web, another is from Access. If you have that Office Access, then click on it, because I don't have that particular option. It is one of the Microsoft tool where you can store the data. Okay. Now SQL Server, we don't have a setup. You cannot do it. Even though if you try to connect, it will be taking too much of time, because SQL Server will be having lakhs of data, which consumes a lot of time. Analytics server, analysis server. Again, this is also one of the part which is related to SQL. Where we can perform some analysis. So as we don't have SQL servers in our desktops or laptops, so we cannot perform this. But I will show it to you guys how to get data connected to the SQL things. Okay. But we can do the Excel formats. Select any data. If you want to get data from any other Excel, just click on that. Go to the downloads option. Just click clear all the files. Now you got all the files. Challenge data. Click OK. Open. There are multiple sheets in that particular, right? Click. If you want any particular thing, you can click it, or if you want all the things, just click it. Now you can see for that data, the tab data has been over here. Whatever the data was there in that particular tab, the data has been populated to here, right? This is another way of importing the data. Clear, guys?
Okay.
Confusing? So now
No, sir. No,
I think this is very clear. Now existing connection. So we have imported data from multiple data. So if you'll see, it will say from this data I have copied this one where my cursor is moving. So another file I got some data from here, some challenging data. This is the one where I got it. So it will show it to you from all the connections from where you got this data. Okay. So if you want to open that data, and you can just click on the open, it will go to that again. We can copy the same data over here. The same data we'll see. Like ఈ ఆప్షన్ చూసి మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? You have seen that particular option somewhere in the home ribbon. What you guys are feeling? Guys, మర్చిపోయారు అప్పుడే క్లిప్ బోర్డ్. ఇక్కడ మనమైతే ఏమి కాపీ చేస్తామో everything will be stored over here, right?
Sir.
In the same way, now whatever connections I'm getting it over here, everything will be stored over in the existing connections. Okay.
Yes, sir.
సో మన దీంట్లోనే షెడ్యూల్ రిఫ్రెష్, నాన్ షెడ్యూల్ రిఫ్రెష్, మనం డేటాని ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ నేను ఆ డేటా నుంచి ఇక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేశాను కదా. సో ఈ డేటా నేను బేస్ టేబుల్లో చేంజ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, the changes has to be reflected over here. Then we can go for some connections and we can go for some refresh all. There are multiple things. It will be connected to the table and it will be refreshed. Automatic scheduled refresh, everything will come into picture. But I don't want to get into all those options because that may confuse you at the moment. But eventually we'll understand all the options. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, just think on few things. How to you get data from the web, how to get data from the text. Now, if you have data from the Word document, can I get it from the Word document? Let me check. Just downloads, click on all files. This is one of the resume. I'll try whether I can import it or not. This is the data. So, data ni, can I go with fixed or delimiter? It doesn't make any sense because if I go with fixed or delimiter, it's a resume. So we cannot bifurcate this one. Just click on the finish. Click OK. So whatever the data was there in the document, you can see this. But if you have any tables format, that will be very easy for you to fetch. Okay, I'll show it to you one example. Suppose you have this data in a Word document. Can you fetch that Word document? సో ఈ డేటా ఉంది మన దగ్గర. It's loading. Okay, data load అయిపోయింది. Just let me save this. Let it be, put it in the downloads. Just test file. Save. Okay, close. Now, if I want to import the data, just go to this from text. మీరు ఇక్కడ text కొడతాను, only text files వస్తాయి. Just click it over here and select all the files. Now you can see all the files. Select that particular file, click on the import. Am I selecting the wrong file? Let me check it. From text, downloads, all files. This is the test file, right? It should give me the right data. Next, finish. Okay, due to some reason it's not able to read that data. Let me check what is the data was there in that file. This is a test file, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me open it. Okay, so ideally it should be in a proper format. So Word document data on this country, it's not able to read it properly. So now let me copy the same data into the txt file, I mean notepad. Test file 2 and save it in the downloads. Just close it, close it. So I'm just doing trial and error method, guys. You can fetch the data from Word document also, but it's not able to read it properly, whatever data we are fetching. So let me move this. Okay, now again from text, where it is test file 2, import. Now you can see some data, but now it's able to read. But when compared to Word document, it's able to read. Now can I go with some fixed delimiter, fixed width? Because the data is very random. I cannot go with fixed width or even delimiter also. I just blindly go with the space. Finish. Okay. Okay. Now data, whatever the data we are having in that sheet has been copied, but it's not in a proper format, right? So now here again you can use text to columns, as you can use fixed delimiter because there was some delimiter, right? So clear, click here, next, finish. So now it will be moving to the next one. Again, you can select something, fixed delimiter, you can use the space, all those things. So now this is the thing which is more or less about data. Any questions, guys?
Sir, is there any option to get the unstructured data into structural data, sir?
No, at the moment, no, because whatever the assessment we will do, we'll be doing all the with structural data. If the data is in not the structure format, what we need to do, we need to convert the data into structure format first, then we need to do our assessments.
Okay.
As the data is unstructured, we cannot do anything. So here, when I copy this data, it looks like bit at least some structured data, but we need to do some clusterings. So here, multiple things has been merged out. So by using some rows to columns, I can bifurcate that into proper way. So first I need to understand what is the data and from where I can bifurcate or something. So there are zeros over there, all the areas. So I will use the zeros. As soon as click on the zeros, see, can you see this? Next, finish. See, somehow by using some trial and error methods, I'm trying to clear the data. Any questions, guys?
No, sir.
But whereas in Power BI, you will be understanding more in about the fetching the data. So now connections. So now whatever the connections I have made in this Excel sheet, everything has been stored over here. Connection 1, connection 2, data point, what test file 2, whatever the things I'm doing, and everything will be done. So now I can click on refresh over here. So now whatever the data has been refreshed over here will be refreshed and updated in the Excel sheet. So we can do the refreshes and multiple other options also will be there. So if you'll deep dive into these options, now you can do some scheduled refresh and you can click on the when it need to be refreshed and you can select that. Automatically the data will be keep refreshing.
Sir,
No.
if we take any time, that also refreshing, sir.
Yes, you can set the time and you can refresh that. I'm not able to find that option. So now how it will be refreshed. So now I will select the data and I'll go with this option. But I'll go with some colorful option where I can't see what happened. I can't see the colors. Change graph type. I'll go with some other lines chart. Why it's black and white? What is the reason for black and white? Okay, let me select this golds. Insert. I'll go with line chart. This you can select the changes. So as there is too much of data, you don't want data for those things, just scroll down. You don't want serial numbers, again scroll it down. Serial numbers you can remove it. Okay, so now the graph is done. So when the data is refreshed, automatically this graph will also refresh and it will be giving you the data. Okay, so any questions, guys, on data? Yes, there are other options in the data we'll be discussing in coming classes, but this is the very important topic where I have covered today, which I have been covered today.
No, sir.